How much money does YouTube pay for 2 million views? If you want to find out, stick around and I'll show you right now. Now, before I jump into the back end of my YouTube channel and show you exactly how much 2 million views will pay you on a YouTube video, I want to share with you an incredible hack that I have figured out only in the last couple of weeks, where you can literally earn 5 to 10 times as much money for the same amount of work when you are posting YouTube videos. It's a fairly simple concept, but once you get it into the head, it will really change the way you think about YouTube and the way that you approach making content. I can guarantee it. Now, the reason I am making this video is because I made a short form piece of content on the exact same topic that I'm about to tell you. And you can see there that this piece of content went viral on my TikTok and got 1.5 million views in about 2 days. I've gained more followers on my TikTok in the last week than I have in the entire 6 years that I've been doing this Studio Hacks YouTube channel. It just shows you the power of a viral video. But what I want to show you is how you can earn a lot more money even without going viral. So first of all, let's jump into the analytics of this video. This is my best performing video, and it's a pretty simple tutorial on how to convert an image to a PDF on the iPhone. You'll see that in the last 28 days, this video has generated $383 in income. Remember, this is in Australian dollars, so that will be a little bit less if you are in the US. So if I change the last 28 days to the lifetime of the video, you can see that that 2 million views has earned $15,117.85. Now, a lot of people were commenting on this TikTok that they have had millions of views on their YouTube video, but they've hardly made any money. Someone said that they got 11 million views on a YouTube video and they made $46. Now, I asked this person, is the 11 million views on a YouTube short? And they said yes. And the bad news for people who create a lot of short form content like TikTok is that you can get massive amount of views with vertical video, but the monetization is terrible. So they actually only got $46 for 11 million views. So the real money to be made on YouTube is in the original format, the long form video content, just like this video that I'm making right now. Now, here is my secret hack. This is the most important part of this video. If you switch over to the revenue tab, it'll give you a very important statistic. Down here under your video performance, you want to see what the revenue for every 1,000 views is. That is your RPM, revenue per mile. And for this video, it's $7.55, which is quite reasonable. The average RPM on YouTube is around $5. Now, this is something I didn't realize. Depending on the topic you pick for your video, it will determine what that RPM is. I always just used to go to the analytics for my entire YouTube channel and go over to revenue, and I would see what my RPM was for my whole channel. So my average RPM for my whole channel is $7.49 for every 1,000 views. So I thought if I make 1 million views on a video, I'll get $7,500, which is really good. But what I didn't realize is that this RPM is different depending on the topic of your video. That's why if you've got a monetized YouTube channel, you should go into the different videos that are on slightly different topics and look at the RPM, because you have to think of your YouTube channel as a piece of real estate, and advertisers want to put signs out in front of your piece of real estate. They want to advertise in front of your house. And if your house is in a nice neighborhood and it looks really nice and expensive, you will attract people to pay lots more money to advertise on your property. So what I'm saying is, if you pick really generic topics that have no specific industry, if you're just filming yourself walking around in the forest as a vlog or something, which is fine, but if you want to make money on YouTube, you will not make money on generic topics like celebrity gossip, like vlogging, if your video is about politics or news, because there's no direct products that you can really tie in. But if you pick a topic for your video that already has products that are really easy to tie to it. So let's say you have a YouTube channel about your pet cat. If you did a bunch of videos about specific cat toys that you really like, there is an entire industry that sells cat toys, and that makes it really easy for the advertising algorithm to match with your video, and that RPM will probably be a lot higher. Now, some topics and some niches pay a lot higher RPMs than others. The absolute best ones that I've found are anything that's software related. So if you're doing software reviews, anything to do with AI, anything to do with personal finances, luxury items like cars and watches, and anything like going on holiday or the best holiday destinations or retirement advice or investing advice, because there are massive industries with a lot of money to be made and they will pay a lot to advertise on your video. To show you what I mean, I'm going to go into the back end of this generic video that I made that got 300,000 views, and it's just about how to enable dark mode on Facebook. And when I look at the revenue tab, I can see that my RPM is only $3.44. So that's quite low compared to my average. But when I go into a more recent video that I've made about AI software, here's a review that I did of Fleeky AI, which is AI-powered video creation software. If I go into the analytics of this video, my revenue for this is $12.83 per 1,000 views. So I am making 4 times the amount of money on this video as I am the other video. Now, the best RPM that I have found on my entire channel was when I did videos about affiliate marketing. That's when you promote other people's products. Affiliate marketing is a very high RPM industry. Let's look at the analytics here. And under my revenue, you can see I'm making a whopping $31.51 for every 1,000 views. If this particular video on the topic of affiliate marketing on Twitter got 1 million views, I would stand to make $31,000 for that 1 million views. But on my other video about Facebook, if I got 1 million views, I would only get $3,000. That is why from now on, I am only going to be doing videos about making money online, about success with affiliate marketing, and all of these topics, personal finances, because if I can make 10 times the amount of money for the same amount of work, of course I want to do that. I'm here doing YouTube to create passive income, and if I can make 10 times as much, that means I might have to work only half as much time and I'm still ahead. So one thing I can recommend is going to YouTube and type in high RPM niche for YouTube. And I've found lots of videos on this topic and they're really interesting. People will talk about these really high CPM niches. Sometimes people have gotten anywhere up to $50 to $80 per 1,000 views, which means you only have to get 100,000 views on a video on this topic to get as much as you would on a video with 1 million views on a bad topic. So I hope you get that concept firmly planted in your mind if you want to be a YouTube creator or if you're already a YouTube creator. Now, I have been working furiously on a full course showing you how to make money on YouTube for beginners with all sorts of secret tips and tricks that I've learned over the 6 years of being a YouTube creator, and it is now my full-time job. I can just create YouTube content and I have no boss. I'm in control of my time and I enjoy earning more money than I did at my previous full-time job. Now, the course isn't quite published yet, but it will be in about 2 weeks. So I will leave a link in the description and the pinned comment. And if you want to click on that now, you can actually pop in your email address and you'll be notified when the course is published. Or if you're watching this 2 weeks after I've filmed it, the course will be live and you can go and have a look at the first few videos for free. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for daily content on how to make money online, affiliate marketing, and YouTube success. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.